చిల్డ్రన్, ఇవాళ మీకు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఏ క్లాస్ అయినా పర్లేదు, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 6th క్లాస్ అందరికి కూడా ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ షుడ్ నో అబౌట్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్. రియల్ నెంబర్స్ అనే టాపిక్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ క్లాస్. సో ఫస్ట్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ నేర్చుకునే ముందు అంటే అన్ని నెంబర్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. సో యూ ఆల్ నో నంబర్స్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so on, all are called as numbers. So what is the end of the numbers? Anyone can say me? There is no end point. You will go going on writing the numbers. So what I will say, numbers has no end, and that is why we call as infinity. What we call them? Infinity. Now see here, first నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే natural numbers. What they are called? Natural numbers. Natural numbers. So natural numbers, they will start with 1. They will start with 1. 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so on. They will start with 1. Okay na? Now coming to next whole numbers. ఈ whole numbers ఏమవుతుందంటే natural numbers they are starting with 1. Whole numbers they will start with 0. So what is added for natural whole numbers now? 0 is added. What is added? 0 is added. I will write whole numbers as here. Set of 0, n. 0, n. 0 n అంటే ఏంటి? Natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. అంతేనా? After the whole numbers, you get the another set of numbers. They are called as integers. They are denoted by z. They are denoted by w. They are denoted by n. What are integers? So integers ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి. 0 is a number, you know. 0 is a number, okay na? Which has no value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. What are they? Whole numbers. Now for integers, 0 numbers and negative numbers. And 0 positive numbers and also negative numbers. So negative numbers చూడండి, -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. సో ఒక గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, మైనస్లోకి వెళ్తే స్మాల్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ బిగ్గర్. ఇవేం numbers ఇవి? Positive numbers. Positive number. If I ask 1 and 2, which is bigger number? 2 is the bigger number. If I ask what is the bigger number between -1 and -2? -1 is the bigger number in integers. So natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. అయిపోయిందా? తర్వాత వచ్చేది very important, rational numbers. So rational numbers are denoted with q. Natural numbers are denoted with the q. So the numbers which are in the form of p by q, the numbers which are in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, where q is not equal to 0, they are called as rational numbers. Any number is a rational number. Why? Because ఒకసారి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, all numbers are divided by 1. All numbers are divided by 1. Why? Because 2 అనుకున్నాం, 2 ని 2 by 1 రాయొచ్చు. 2 by 1. Every number is in the form of p by q. Every number is in the form of p by q. ఏది p ఇక్కడ? 2 is p. q ఏది? Any number. 3 by 4, -5 by 6. These all are in the form of p by q. So all the numbers are rational numbers. మీరు ఇంకోటి p by q లో p ఏమంటామో చెప్పండి? We call as p as a numerator. What we call the numerator. కిందలో ఏమంటాం మనము? Denominator. Okay na? So these are the rational numbers. Now again comes one more type of numbers. They are irrational numbers. What they are called? Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, q dash. The numbers which are not in the form of p by q, not in the form of not బై క్యూ. సార్ పీ బై క్యూ ఫామ్లో లేని నంబర్స్ ఏముంటాయి సార్? ఉంటాయి, చాలా ఉంటాయి, చెప్తాయి. నా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ here square root of 1 is 1. 1 1 is 1. ఓకేనా? square root of 2 ఏంటమ్మా? root 2 వాల్యూ లేదు root 2 కి 1.414 so on వస్తుంది decimal points. So root 2 is a irrational number. Root 3 is also irrational number, right? Because root 3 is 1.732 so on. So we cannot write the p by q form. But coming to root 4 ఏంటి? 2 2s are 4. So it is a exact square. The answer is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి? 2 నెంబర్ రాయొచ్చు 2 by 1. ఏం ఫామ్ ఇది? p by q. అంటే ఏ నెంబర్ 4 రాషనల్ నెంబర్. అర్థమైందా? మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు 4 తర్వాత రూట్ 5 irrational, root 6 irrational, root 7 irrational, root